Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup thicker. Let's start with a simple and effective method, a cornstarch slurry. Just mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then slowly whisk it into your simmering soup. Continue to cook for a few minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. This is a fantastic way to achieve a thicker soup without altering its delicious flavor. Beyond cornstarch, several other ingredients can help. Consider pureeing some cooked vegetables, such as carrots or potatoes, directly into your soup for a natural thickness and added nutrients. For a richer, creamier texture, stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk towards the end of cooking. You can also add a few tablespoons of breadcrumbs or crushed crackers to absorb excess liquid and thicken the soup. Sometimes, technique alone can make a big difference. Try blending about 1/4 of your soup with an immersion blender or in a regular blender, then return it to the pot. This creates a naturally thicker base. Another simple method is to simply cook the soup longer over medium-low heat, allowing excess water to evaporate. You can also mash some of the tomatoes against the side of the pot for added texture. Before serving, always taste and adjust your seasonings, as thickening can sometimes mellow flavors. A small amount of tomato paste, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons, can also add a deeper tomato flavor and a bit more body to your soup. Remember, the goal is a delicious, satisfying consistency. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.